Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to remove recycle bin from your Windows 11 desktop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to your settings. For that you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. After open settings window, click on personalizations from your left side. So click on personalizations, and on your right side you will get an option called themes. So click on that themes option. Now here if you will scroll down, you will get desktop icon settings. So click on desktop icon settings. Now here you will see recycle bin option is checked, so you just need to uncheck if you want to remove, and if you want to re-enable it, you just need to check and apply. So I will remove recycle bin from my desktop, so I will uncheck this option and click on apply, then okay. And now as you can see, recycle bin is removed from my Windows 11 desktop. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.